Hi guys, my name is Tahira and I'm a professional Oriental dancer based in Poland. And this is Tahira Belly Dance Diary, where I invite you to dive with me into the world of Oriental dance and all its complexities. Let's begin! Tahira Belly Dance Diary is all about immersing dance in culture and history. I strongly believe that the better understanding of Egyptian or Arabic culture you have, the better and the deeper is your connection with Oriental dance. And I'm also aware that dance and Ramadan are not the best couple, but at the moment we are still in the month of Ramadan, so it's the perfect time to get familiar with this tradition. This year's Ramadan started on 13th of April and it will last till 12th of May. And now let's dig a bit deeper into this topic with 8 things to know about Ramadan. Wait a minute, the 9th month of Islamic calendar, but it's April. And indeed, you're right, it is. But the Islamic calendar is lunar. Lunar months are shorter than solar and each of them begins with the new astronomical moon. This also means that each year Ramadan occurs around 10 to 11 days earlier, but each year it is in the same month, and this is of course the 9th month of Islamic calendar. Although fasting is quite healthy, there are of course some exceptions. You are not required to fast during Ramadan if you are a young child, ill, elderly, a pregnant woman, woman who breastfeeds, woman during menstruation, or you are traveling. So if you didn't know that, you can be relieved because Muslims are not trying to starve to death those who are more vulnerable at the time of Ramadan. However, there's lack in leisure because if you can make up for it later, you should do so. For example, if you were ill during Ramadan and in the following weeks you feel better, it is your time to fast. And you should make up for the previous Ramadan before the next one comes. Time flies so fast. You haven't even noticed that the next Ramadan came before you had a chance to make up for the previous one. But no worries, you still have some options. If you were not able to fast between Ramadans, you can pay fidya. This means that you have to feed one person in need on each day you didn't fast during Ramadan. Feeding someone in need would replace the day that you've missed. So you're not only keeping up the tradition, but you're also making the world better, at least for this one person, and nowadays it's really a lot. While we are on the topic of paying, let's talk about some real money. And in order for your fasting to be accepted, you need to give zakat, which is charity, before the Ramadan ends, and this is before Eid al-Fitr. This concept is generally about encouraging people who are more financially fortunate to give graciously to others in need. The amount of zakat is different each year and it depends on the financial status of the whole community as well as the individual. I've already mentioned that fasting can be beneficial for your health. And it's not just a saying, there are scientific studies about it. If fasting is done correctly, it will trigger in your body detoxification process, it will enhance your digestive system, and in general, it will relax your body. So, several hours of fasting and you're good to go. There is no better way to forgive each other than over a table full of delicious food. During Ramadan, Muslims try their best to treat one another with respect and kindness. Each day, families gather to break their fasts together. It is common that each relative takes turns inviting over the rest of the family for the evening meal. I think that eating each day in a different house would be tiring if performed throughout the whole year, but the kindness and respect attitude should be mandatory for the 365 days every year. Staying on the note of kindness, Ramadan tents are a great thing. They are set up outside and open to public, especially to those in need. Inside, you can try multiple cuisines and feel a part of community. Everybody is welcome to join the feast. Normally, Muslims pray 5 times a day. However, during Ramadan, you can say an additional prayer, and its name is Tarawih. It is performed after the last prayer of the day, and usually it lasts over an hour. Since I perceived praying as a form of meditation, I think it's a nice way to end the day, calm down, and prepare for the challenges of tomorrow. So these were 8 things to know about Ramadan, and let me know in the comments below if you are familiar with them or not. And of course, if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you want to dance with me or learn from me, I encourage you to do so. And you can do it in Polish and in English. In Polish in my Belly Dance online school, and in English on my U-Dance online profile. And I'm leaving all the necessary information down below in the description box. And as usual, I encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And let's meet here next Wednesday for the new episode of Tahira Belly Dance Diary. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!